What if I told you one exercise could build a wider back, stronger arms, better posture, and even boost fat loss? Most people think pull-ups are just for the strong guys, but that's exactly why most people are doing them wrong. Pull-ups are often called the king of upper body exercises, and for good reason. Unlike machines, pull-ups engage multiple muscle groups at once: your back, shoulders, arms, and even your core. Latissimus dorsi, lats. These are the large muscles in your back that give you the V-shaped upper body. Pull-ups target them directly. Trapezius. Moves your shoulder blades and supports your arms. Biceps and forearms. Pull-ups strengthen your arms while improving grip, which is crucial for lifting and other sports. Core. Even your abs work to stabilize your body during the movement. Research shows that compound exercises like pull-ups not only build muscle efficiently, but also enhance posture, bone density, and cardiovascular health. You might be wondering, why not just do lat pull-downs or push-ups? Here's the science. Free weight or body weight exercises like pull-ups engage more stabilizing muscles than machines. That means you're building functional strength that carries over into daily life, sports, and other workouts. For example, rock climbers, martial artists, and even swimmers rely heavily on the exact muscle patterns that pull-ups strengthen. No other exercise hits as many upper body muscles simultaneously. Now, let's break down the perfect pull-up. Grip the bar. Use an overhand grip slightly wider than shoulder width. Your hands should be relaxed but firm. Hang fully extended. Let your body hang straight. Shoulders relaxed but not slouched. Pull with control. Bring your chest toward the bar, squeezing your shoulder blades together. Avoid jerking or swinging. Hold at the top. Pause for 1 to 2 seconds with your chest near the bar. Lower slowly. Slowly return to the starting position to maximize muscle activation. Keep your core tight and legs slightly crossed behind you. This stabilizes your body and prevents swinging. If you're new to pull-ups, don't worry. You can still build up to a full pull-up. Dead hang. Simply hang from the bar for 10 to 30 seconds. This strengthens your grip and shoulders. Assisted pull-ups. Use resistance bands or an assisted pull-up machine to reduce body weight. Negative pull-ups. Jump or step to the top position and slowly lower yourself down. This trains your muscles efficiently. Horizontal rows. Use a low bar or TRX straps. This is a great stepping stone to full pull-ups. Start with 2 to 3 sets of 5 to 8 reps, gradually increasing as you get stronger. Consistency is key. So, what happens if you do pull-ups every day? Science and anecdotal evidence suggest week 1 to 2, improved grip strength, noticeable arm and back activation. Minor soreness is normal. Week 3 to 4, increased endurance, better posture, and more confident body mechanics. Week 5 to 8, visible muscle definition in arms, shoulders, and lats. Stronger core engagement. Long-term, enhanced functional strength, reduced risk of shoulder injuries, and a healthier upper body overall. Listen to your body. If you feel joint pain or severe fatigue, take a rest day. Recovery is just as important as training. Here are science-backed strategies to get the most out of your pull-ups. Vary your grip. Wide, narrow, or neutral grips target different muscles. Add weighted pull-ups. Once bodyweight pull-ups feel easy, gradually add a weight belt or dumbbell. Focus on tempo, slow, eccentric movements, lowering phase, increase strength and muscle growth. Combine with push movements. Pair with push-ups or bench press for balanced upper body development. Avoid these pitfalls, swinging or kipping excessively. Not fully extending arms at the bottom. Shrugging shoulders instead of engaging your back. ignoring warm-up or mobility work. Correct form reduces injury risk and ensures maximum muscle activation. Pull-ups are a game changer for building upper body strength, improving posture, and boosting confidence. Start slow, focus on form, and gradually increase intensity. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Don't forget to check out our other strength training videos for full body transformation tips. Start your pull-up journey today and watch your upper body transform.